I am Cliff Kuntz, Executive Director of Ride with Respect. Ride with Respect does a lot of trail work in cooperation with the land managers to try to make ATV, motorcycle, side-by-side, and even four-wheel driving sustainable. We also educate other riders to respect the land. You know, we have to be compatible with those other uses and the natural and cultural resources on the land, which in most cases we are if we just tread lightly.
I'm Ashley Losey. I'm an archaeologist with BLM Utah, and we are here in Sago Canyon today to look at some rock art and talk about some historic resources and Respect and Protect, which is BLM and Tread Lightly's new public awareness campaign to eliminate looting and vandalism on public lands in Utah. Rock art here in Sago Canyon begins about 5,000 years ago with the Barrier Canyon style rock art. Looting and vandalism of archaeological and paleontological resources is a real problem because it robs us all of our cultural and natural heritage.
My name is Jessica Montcalm. I am an archaeologist for the Abandoned Mine Reclamation Program with the Utah Division of Oil, Gas and Mining. Right now we are standing inside the general store at the former coal town of Sago, Utah. It's really important to respect places like this because maintaining public access on private property to sightsee, to appreciate the surroundings, the history of these locations really does further each individual's appreciation. And it is our duty to see the past into the future.
So my name is Rebecca Hunt Foster. I'm the District Paleontologist for Canyon Country District of the BLM in southeastern Utah. And today we're in Mill Canyon. This area is really popular for coming to see dinosaur tracks and dinosaur bones. There's a historic stage stop. People come here to Jeep and ride their UTVs and their motorbikes. And it's just a fun area to come out and explore. The Respect and Protect campaign encourages visitors to recreate at these sites responsibly and to enjoy the paleontological resources we have here, but to help preserve them so we can see the past into the future. I camp, I hike,
I hunt, I ride, I fish,
I backpack, I snowboard.
I practice responsible recreation, and I tread lightly.